During which period the earliest factory came up in England? Options are A. 1760s, B. 1730s, C. 1600s, D. 1740s. Correct answer is B. 1730s. The first spinning and weaving mill of Madras began production in? Options are A. By 1784, B. By 1874, C. By 1866, D. By 1854. Correct answer is B. By 1874. In revolutionary France, who was given the right to vote? Options are A. Only men and women who owned property, B. All men, C. All men and women, D. Only men who owned property. Correct answer is D. Only men who owned property. In Prussia, who was referred to as Junkers? Options are A. Military officials, B. Large landowners, C. Factory owners, D. Aristocratic nobles. Correct answer is B. Large landowners. What symbolized the wheel with wings? Options are A. Time, B. Progress, C. Carriage, D. Future. Correct answer is B. Progress. In 1854, the first cotton mill of India was established in? Options are A. Calcutta, B. Madras, C. Bombay, D. Ahmedabad. Correct answer is C. Bombay. What is the date of the demolition of the Bastille? Options are A. 17th July 1790, B. 9th June 1789, C. 14th July 1789, D. 14th May 1786. Correct answer is C. 14th July 1789. What kind of movement was launched by the tribal peasants of Gudem Hills in Andhra Pradesh? Options are A. Satyagraha movement, B. Militant guerrilla movement, C. Nonviolent movement, D. None of the above. Correct answer is B. Militant guerrilla movement. In which year James Watt got a patent for the steam engine? Options are A. 1760, B. 1781, C. 1784, D. 1769. Correct answer is D. 1769. What is the year in which the English Parliament seized power from the British monarchy? Options are A. 1866, B. 1789, C. 1512, D. 1688. Correct answer is D. 1688. The non-cooperation Khilafat movement began in? Options are A. January 1921, B. February 1922, C. December 1929, D. April 1919. Correct answer is A. January 1921. Which of the following countries faced labor shortage in the 19th century? Options are A. America, B. Britain, C. France, D. Germany. Correct answer is A. America. Who had designed the Swaraj flag by 1921? Options are A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. C.R. Das, C. Maulana Azad, D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Correct answer is A. Mahatma Gandhi. What was the Napoleonic Code? Options are A. Did away with all the privileges based on birth and established equality. B. Destroyed feudalism in France. C. Formulated codes for the army. D. Ensured right to property for the privileged class. Correct answer is A. Did away with all the privileges based on birth and established equality. Who among the following two leaders led the Khilafat movement? Options are A. Shaukat Ali and Muhammad Ali. B. Gandhiji and Sardar Patel. C. Muhammad Ali Jinnah and Abul Kalam Azad. D. Abul Kalam Azad and Jawaharlal Nehru. Correct answer is A. Shaukat Ali and Muhammad Ali. Who was a founder member of the Swaraj Party? Options are A. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. B. C.R. Das. C. Maulana Azad. D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Correct answer is B. C.R. Das. Who among the following was known as Collins? Options are A. French citizens living in Vietnam. B. French citizens living in France. C. Educated people of Vietnam. D. Elites of Vietnam. Correct answer is A. French citizens living in Vietnam. When did the Jallianwala Bagh incident take place? Options are A. On 13th April 1919. B. On 15th August 1919. C. On 27th October 1919. D. On 10th March 1919. Correct answer is A. On 13th April 1919. Penny magazine was only for whom? Options are A. Women. B. Poor people. C. Children. D. Old people. Correct answer is A. Women. Which war caused new problems for Indian weavers? Options are A. The American Civil War. B. First World War. C. Second World War. D. None of these. Correct answer is A. The American Civil War. Where did Mahatma Gandhi start his famous Salt March on 12th March 1930? Options are A. Dandi. B. Chauri Chaura. C. Sabarmati. D. Surat. Correct answer is C. Sabarmati. Who were the Central Powers in the First World War? Options are A. German, Austria-Hungary and Ottoman Bulgaria. B. Britain, France and Russia. C. Italy, Japan and Russia. D. France, Austria-Hungary and China. Correct answer is A. German, Austria-Hungary and Ottoman Bulgaria. Which treaty recognized Greece as an independent nation? Options are A. Treaty of Versailles. B. Treaty of Vienna. C. Treaty of Constantinople. D. Treaty of Lausanne. Correct answer is C. Treaty of Constantinople. Who said, when France sneezes the rest of Europe catches cold? Options are A. Garibaldi. B. Mazzini. C. Metternich. D. Bismarck. Correct answer is C. Metternich. The process of integration between different countries is known as? Options are A. Competition. B. Privatization. C. Globalization. D. Liberalization. Correct answer is C. Globalization. A form of demonstration used in the non-cooperation movement in which people block the entrance to a shop, factory or office is? Options are A. Boycott. B. Begar. C. Picketing. D. Band. Correct answer is C. Picketing. The expansion of railways boosted which of the following industries? Options are A. Cotton and metal. B. Iron and steel. C. Mining. D. Wooden. Correct answer is B. Iron and steel. Jawaharlal Nehru proudly declared the dam as the. Options are A. Future of India. B. Symbols of modern India. C. Temples of modern India. D. Pillars of modern India. Correct answer is C. Temples of modern India. Who was the writer of the book Hind Swaraj? Options are A. Rabindranath Tagore. B. B.R. Ambedkar. C. Mahatma Gandhi. D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Correct answer is C. Mahatma Gandhi. Who created the world's first water-powered cotton mill in 1771? Options are A. J. C. Cotton. B. R. L. Cotton. C. Richard Arkwright. D. None. Correct answer is C. Richard Arkwright. What were the main destinations of Indian indentured laborers? Options are A. Europe. B. China. C. Japan. D. West Indies. Correct answer is D. West Indies. What is Zollverein started in 1834 in Prussia? Options are A. Trade Union. B. Customs Union. C. Labor Union. D. Farmers Union. Correct answer is B. Customs Union. Who set up the first Indian jute mill in Calcutta in 1917? Options are A. G. D. Birla. B. Seth Hukumchand. C. Jamsetji Nusserwanji Tata. D. Dwarkanath Tagore. Correct answer is B. Seth Hukumchand. Which disease spread like wildfire in Africa in the 1890s? Options are A. Rinderpest. B. Smallpox. C. Pneumonia. D. None of these. Correct answer is A. Rinderpest. Who among the following formed the secret society called Young Italy? Options are A. Otto von Bismarck. B. Giuseppe Mazzini. C. Metternich. D. Johann Gottfried Herder. Correct answer is B. Giuseppe Mazzini. Which food traveled west from China to be called spaghetti? Options are A. Soya. B. Ground nut. C. Potato. D. Noodles. Correct answer is D. Noodles. What did the crown of oak leaves symbolize? Options are A. Courage. B. Heroism. C. Peace. D. Tolerance. Correct answer is B. Heroism. When did Mahatma Gandhi return to India from South Africa? Options are A. 1920. B. 1915. C. 1921. D. 1914. Correct answer is B. 1915. What did indentured labor mean? Options are A. Cheap labor. B. Free labor. C. Bonded labor. D. None of these. Correct answer is C. Bonded labor. L. The measuring unit in Germany was used to measure. Options are A. Cloth. B. Thread. C. Land. D. Height. Correct answer is A. Cloth. What do you mean by carding? Options are A. In spinning. B. In weaving. C. In which cotton or wool fibers are prepared for spinning. D. In which finishing of cloth is done. Correct answer is C. In which cotton or wool fibers are prepared for spinning. Which are referred as Bretton Woods institutions? Options are A. IMF and World Bank. B. UNESCO. C. WHO. D. UNO. Correct answer is A. IMF and World Bank. Who set up the Oudh Kisan Sabha? Options are A. Alluri Sitaram Raju. B. Baba Ramchandra. C. Shaukat Ali. D. Mahatma Gandhi. Correct answer is B. Baba Ramchandra. Who visualized and depicted the image of Bharat Mata through a painting? Options are A. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. B. Rabindranath Tagore. C. Natesa Sastri. D. Abnindranath Tagore. Correct answer is D. Abnindranath Tagore. Which of the following group of powers collectively defeated Napoleon? Options are A. England, France, Italy, Russia. B. England, Austria, Spain, Russia. C. Austria, Prussia, Russia, Britain. D. Britain, Prussia, Russia, Italy. Correct answer is C. Austria, Prussia, Russia, Britain. Which economic process started after the decline of Bretton Woods institutions? Options are A. Emergence of MNCs. B. Globalization process. C. Flow of the capital. D. None of the above. Correct answer is B. Globalization process.